Hi guys, it's Ben. Yeah, sorry for the delay. We are in a new office and we try to also make our video quality a bit better. I hope we are doing well. Thanks that you waited and thanks that you're here. And I think this video also, after it's been finished today, you have to share it because I think we have today great news, really great news. And we will start with some questions about what was happening in the last weeks, but stay on because I have something really great that will change, I think, the ICO landscape a bit from the usability. But Ibrahim is with me here. Cannot see him, but he has some questions prepared for the community, and I'm happy to answer them.
So, hi Ben.
Hi.
The first question would be about the card. Did you expect this massive demand during the pre-registration period?
Yeah, I mean, it was awesome. It's as you can see, the card is like you have to open a whole account with us, right? So I didn't expect so much in that short amount of time. I mean, we had to close the registration after 7 days. So yeah, the dynamics in this market are huge, and we are very happy about this. And of course, we'll open up much more, but this is the first batch, and there will be also some special benefits for people who came early. So yeah, but very nice demand, very, very nice experience.
Okay, and many users are asking if they didn't pre-register yet, can they still be able to claim their card in the coming days? Or
yeah, so I mean, the first batch has closed now, so there will be basically a second batch soon. But first of all, we just need to get the cards out. There are some also regulatory and compliance topics that we need to resolve, and this is also handled with our card issuer and MasterCard. You know, we are in a space where the crypto card is deemed as something risky, or from compliance and regulatory perspective, something that needs to be handled very sensitively. So we are on it. And just to repeat again, this card can be offered as it is because we have in between the funding process our own regulated entity. So actually users sell their cryptos to via our own made payment provider, and then it funds the trading account, and then you load your card, right? So this is basically the process, but it needs to be explained thoroughly to everyone. Also from a regulatory perspective, once everything is clarified, people can get their card. You've seen mine, I have a plastic card already, so it's real. And yeah, that's basically to answer the question.
Okay. Samuel is asking, what are the special benefits for those who claim the cards now?
Okay, so you have at first, you are the first holders, right? You have a lifelong status that will be also reflected in our platforms, that you are one of the kind of first people that contributed to our NAGA card. Obviously, there will be also some deduction and promotional advantages in terms of the fees. So for everyone who came early, so you guys are flagged, right? So we know that you have been one of the first holders, so you will have monetary advantages, a lower fee, and I think also lower monthly fee, and the lower loading fee. So everyone who came now will be benefit from that. And then in the upcoming batches, we will see what we will do. But for the first 10K people, or for everyone who really created the card, who's in that batch, will have direct cash advantages.
Do we have a fixed date to start sending the cards to members?
I mean, we try basically to do this in the next like 1 week to 10 days. I just say we need to just clarify everything with our card issuer now, because the registration came in and your account data is there. So we'll see how fast we can do. We do it as soon as possible. So whenever we have like the go, we do it right away. So it's just now again paperwork, and then it starts.
Okay, cool. Do you have any other updates regarding availability, countries supported? A lot of users from countries that are not supported are also trying to register and claim cards. Are they able, probably in the foreseen future, to do that?
Yes, so for those who, for example, I've seen a lot of Twitter comments or also in Telegram when India, suddenly not when exchange, but when India or when Japan, we're working on this as well. Again, regulatory and compliance topic. I know it's something that no one from us wants to deal with it in the end, right? So in the crypto world, everything is free and everything is decentralized, whatever. However, you still have the old world, the fiat world, right? So we need to arrange that. So we will open up for sure those countries. Not sure about Canada and the US. There's very specific regulations. But what I can say is South Africa, Australia, Japan, India, these countries will be able to use our service fully. We are on it as we speak. It is paperwork. Technically, it's there, right? So once we have the go from the licenses, etc., then it's there. However, we just need to wait for this. But whenever we have this, or in that moment we have the paper, we go and you get a notification. You can sign up.
Okay, cool. Chris is asking actually, is it able to fund my account already, or should I wait until I receive my card?
So the process is as follows. So everyone who claimed the card is now will be able. We will open up the member area, the client area where you claimed the card, where you can you need to verify your phone number. Then your whole request will be sent to our card issuer, who is called B2B Card Pay, which are colleagues from us, which we know very well. And then you will just run through a verification process, which is nothing special, just email address again, I think address, and confirming your passport number. You tap the button. The virtual card is issued right away. So like half an hour. When we tested was maximum 25 minutes. The plastic card will be sent after you created it within 3 days. That's it. So once the screen is open, once you run through the process with our issuer again, it takes maximum 5 days until you have your plastic card. So it's very foreseeable time frame.
Okay, you have mentioned earlier that the card is not only a crypto. Can you tell us more about this connection? Do users need to fund or trade in order to withdraw or receive their cards, or
no? So basically, if you look at your bank account, if you have a bank account, right? So what do you do when your bank account? You deposit money there, right? Either you get salaries, or you go to a bank and then put in cash, and then it gets credited, right? And from this bank account, for example, you can load or wire money to a debit card or prepaid card. Eventually, we always call it debit card, but it's a prepaid card, right? What we have. The NAGA card is actually, by definition, a prepaid card. So you fund your bank account, and then you fund your debit card or prepaid card. The same happens with NAGA Trader. You fund with any type of method, for example, crypto or bank transfer. You fund your trading account, which is in this logic your bank account, your trading account, and from there you do a transfer in real time to your card. So the whole ecosystem, why the NAGA card is so nice and why everything is so friendly, is because we have it under one umbrella, right? So you don't have to have 2 accounts, you don't have to wait, you don't have to wire, you just fund everything to your trading aka bank account, which is a trading account. So we are not banking, but it's just to give you a better idea. So you fund your trading account, and from there you have possibilities. You can either trade stocks, forex, CFDs. You can also trade cryptos like CFDs. You can benefit from falling or rising prices, or you can send the funds from your trading account to that connected card. So this is kind of the connector is the trading account. And in the first step, you fund the trading account, then you load the specific services. That's it.
Okay, very good. B2S is asking, can I fund my card with fiat, and are there limits for fiat funding?
So there is no funding limit on the card, because you fund your account again. So you fund your account first. If you're an unverified user, that means you just signed up with us and uploaded your documents, but they are not approved. You can fund up to $2,000, right? but you cannot create a card. Only people who are an approved state can create a card. It's very important. And of course, you can fund your trading account with fiat via bank transfer, other debit cards, or direct debit, or Giro Pay, whatever in Germany, whatever we have, or PaySafe, etc., or cryptocurrencies. And then you load your card. So yes, your card can be loaded through your trading account, which is fiat to fiat, yeah. And before that, you can load your trading account with crypto, cards, or bank transfer.
Okay. Ted is asking, who is holding the cash to transfer crypto to real money, NAGA or MasterCard or the card provider?
Okay, so from the technicalities behind, I mean, obviously, NAGA has an agreement with our brokerage, with our card issuer. I mean, these are internals, but yes, there's a specific settlement of funds. So we just make sure that the client funds us, and then we fund the card provider. But we do not fund a MasterCard directly, whatever. But we just make sure that the connection between NAGA Markets and CardPay is basically balanced. So the funds that you paid in, you can use on your card. That's it. Okay.
Simon Patmore is asking, hi Ben, do you plan to support the pound with your debit card in the future rather than only euro?
No, at the moment we only have euro. It depends on our card issuer. It's not us who's saying that, but everything around the card is with the card issuer. Maybe they will offer more currencies. I don't know yet, but we have an euro only card.
Okay, and Jagish Vama is asking if I can fund the card with fiat. What's the special? What is the need of NAGA coin? Is there any special conditions or benefits for people funding with NAGA coin?
Yeah, of course. I mean, this is the #1 question: having an own coin, how to make some benefits. What we want to do, this is a plan, right? We want, if you have a specific balance, this will be published with the card launch, like the creation launch. We want to give people the card for free if they have a specific NGC balance. So as you know, we will enable NGC funding, which I tested 2 days ago, which works. Then you will have NGC accounts. And if you, for example, have at least, let's say 100 NGC, that's just a number, can be 500, can be 50, whatever. If you have 100 NGC in your NGC account, you get the NAGA card for free. No creation fee, and maybe also a lower loading fee, and no monthly fee. Yeah. So this has really benefits. So you purchase NGC at exchanges, you fund the account, and then you can benefit from better conditions being an NGC holder. It's very important. So you need to have a specific NGC balance, and then you will have the whole card for free.
Okay, I guess, yeah, it's very clear regarding the card. We answered all the questions from the community.
Yep.
I guess, as you mentioned yesterday in Telegram and on social media, you mentioned that you will make an important announcement.
Yeah.
Can you please tell us about this?
Yeah. So just roundabout and sum it up, basically. So we talked about the card, and also you guys, you know, what we want to do and what we want to show as an example is when you have a platform, when you have a team, and if you over-deliver the dates. Someone said, if you over-deliver, you set your milestones wrong. This is not right. So there's just a huge drive at the moment inside the teams, and we see what potential we have. And I think in crypto, the speed is very important, right? So I sat down 3 days ago with Igor, again, our CTO, and we were testing the NGC deposits. So that you can just send an ERC20 token to us, to our wallet service, and it credits your trading account. And then I realized a thing, and the potential as well, because our whole system reads the Ethereum chain, and our wallet service can not only deposit funds, but send funds. So all in all, I want to introduce you to the new NAGA Wallet. People were asking, is it the exchange or whatever, but it's the first service. It's a NAGA wallet, completely a wallet with a massive feature inside, and also an internal exchange for some crypto. So we have a semi-exchange plus the wallet. And I will just now switch to the screen because I want to show you the prototype, which will be live between the 1st April and 7th April. So note that down. We will also announce that between 1st and 7th April, we will release the NAGA Wallet. That's the news. And let us look at how it looks. I just switched now the screen. Moment. So I need to switch to this. This is kind of, the screen share is there, right? Yeah, okay, cool. Okay. The mouse is a bit strange. 1 second. Okay. Should be here, right? Yes. Okay. So, guys, I'm just sorry for the clicking. But yeah, okay. Can we see it? Yeah? Okay, perfect. Okay, guys, this is the new NAGA wallet. So this will be released, as I said, in the by end of this month. What it really has, what you can look at, will be the new client area. You know this client area from the debit card, and you know this from kind of managing your account. But you can see here very clearly, you have the wallet, you have the trader, which is our trading platform, you have the card, you have the coin, everything around people who participated in our ICO and who are coin holders, right? You have crypto and fiat payments, so all to deposit your NAGA trader account, and you have account verification. Also a very nice update, we partnered up with Jumio. Maybe you know Jumio from all the exchange companies, so it's like with face recognition, automatic upload of your documents. So this will be also very much improved. Here you can manage your user profile and resources and links. Most of you guys know all of this already, yeah, and the trader, but this one is new. So let's go to the wallet. What is so special about our wallet? At the beginning, you can hold Dash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Bitcoin Cash. These currencies we were accepting during our ICO, right? So you could have deposit, and we sent you NGCs to your NGC balance. You remember this? Or just as a recap, so this is basically what you can do. And here you could have deposit, but now you can also send, yeah, or you can deposit directly Dash to your Dash wallet. So you don't fund your trading account, but you fund your Dash wallet. You can hold it. We have a combination of cold and hot storage in the background, so it's secured. It's also, the whole area is secured by your password and MFA, so we really recommend you then to set up multi-factor authentication, Google Authenticator or Duo app, and this is basically the first thing. So nothing special. I mean, it's a wallet. It's nice to have a wallet, and it's connected basically to the trading account, and it's connected to the card then in the end, and you have all of this. But look at this, tokens. We made this ICO, and I was so annoyed. I had to do this video with how to create your MyEther wallet, how to open your address from loading your key store file, entering your password, copy your address, blah blah blah. Really, I mean, for the crypto world, it's nice. Okay, I see the point, but I don't see the point to have it for a normal investor, a normal retail investor who wants to subscribe to an ICO. It's a nightmare. So we developed a token service in our wallet. Here, you get a token address, like an Ethereum deposit address. It's for you, right? You take this address, and let's say you want to participate in another ICO, okay? You copy this address, and you put it there. That's it. Once the ICO distributes the token, in that moment, in real time, you will see all the data around that symbol, plus you will see symbol, you will see how much you hold, what the price at the moment is, real-time price of that symbol, what the portfolio value is. So if you bought, for example, 1,000 NGC, you have at 97 cents, you have a $970 portfolio value. You see the total supply, you see the valuation, so the coin market cap, you see the coin market cap rank, you see the website, and you see social info. Just by putting your address to an ICO, that's it. all around this token service, we have listeners, and we have aggregation of different APIs, getting the data in, and you can see it conveniently. What you can do, number one, you can just put this address to other ICOs once they distribute, or you can just use my Ether wallet now and give us all your tokens that you have on my Ether wallet, and you will see everything at once, token by token, with all information. So there is my Ether wallet, which we can replace with this somehow in terms of the easiness and the simplicity. Plus, we can replace apps like Blockfolio or whatever, because you will have your whole portfolio here. We will also add stuff like you can say when you purchase more tokens at different exchanges, so you can track your portfolio changes in value. And the best thing is, if I compare this flow for other ICOs with my Ether wallet and NAGA wallet, I bet in 3 months after the release, you will see lots of ICOs saying, hey, you can provide us your Ethereum address by either using my Ether wallet or using NAGA wallet. So every new ICO will use our NAGA wallet for their ICO subscribers. It's a huge potential for our ecosystem, and it gives people a much easier way into the crypto space. So people just sign up, username, email, password, NAGA wallet is created. You can do whatever you like, and you have your personal token address. That's it. So this is something massive, I think. And the good thing is we will have some support also for tokens that you can fund your trading accounts with specific token. So if I have NGC or Tron or Neo, you can say, I want to move them to my trading account, I want to deposit more of them, or I want to send them out. And if you look at the dash here, we can see. So if I want to deposit dash, I tap here, and I can make a deposit. So I see my address, and I can copy it to the clipboard, and I see all the transactions kind of around my dash deposit. So very, very classical around this, right? If I want to send dash, I can also use the wallet service here. Wait, just kind of stuck. Okay, so I see my dash balance. I see what amount I want to send somewhere to an exchange, for example. I have dash in my NAGA wallet, and I want to send them to Binance, or I want to send them to Bittrex, whatever. And I can specify how much. I specify the address, the deposit address from the exchange or from another service. I enter my MFA code, and I send the dash. I see also via our algorithm on the chains, we calculate the network fee, so you directly see or what will be deducted, right? So depositing, sending, withdrawing, yeah, sending or withdrawing, and that's why it's called this here. And then what's also very cool is move to trading account. So I can select from my dash wallet how much dash or how many dash I want to send to my USD trading account. So this is an internal transfer or an internal exchange. Whatever crypto we will support to move to the trading account, it can be a major crypto, but it can also be an ERC20 crypto, or an ERC20 token, sorry. You can fund your trading account and then also load your card. So maybe you see the system now. So you deposit tokens to your wallet, for example. We show you all the details around this, and then you can directly simply move them to the trading account, deposit more of them, or send them out to exchanges, whatever. So this is in a nutshell the NAGA wallet. I don't know how many comments or what the reaction is, but this is just what I wanted to explain to you, and I'm very excited about this.
Yes, actually, the community is very, very, very excited about it. A lot of people are telling us nice work, nice job, good. And actually, Genesis is asking, is there a chance that we will, in the future, maybe see NAGA Wallet as an app, Android or iOS?
Yes, of course. I mean, this whole thing that you see will be completely mobile responsive, obviously, and it is part of the NAGA Trader already on the 1st of April. So you can open your wallet right away from the NAGA Trader. It is in the secure client area. I believe it's better to have it securely in one environment, so we can also focus much more on protecting that environment and instead of having it on too many clients. But you will have this fully mobile optimized, and you can directly access the wallet from a NAGA trader. There will be a tab called Wallet. You go in, and that's it.
Okay. The other question would be, when will, if we use this wallet, do we hold our own private key, or is it different from other wallets?
No, it's different from other wallets. It's like with exchanges. So we hold it for you, secured. We have a cold storage and hot storage for the tokens itself. But you sign up, and we hold the data, like the keys for you.
Okay. Okay. So another new TSZ is asking, how quickly does the transaction happen in the wallet, and is it future-proof for multiple users growing exponentially?
So yes, so scalability is always a big topic for us. And during the ICO, we had like lots of loads of people hitting our endpoints. We had some bottlenecks which we fixed. We are very confident that we can grow this to millions of users. And the speed of the wallet, I mean, it's just depending on the network, on the blockchains itself. So there is no like extra delay, whatever. So once we get the confirmation, we would just directly credit this. So that's basically the idea. What I want to achieve with this, our team, is to have a very user-friendly and easy wallet, right? Because I know that people are very concerned about security, for sure. I know that people are very concerned about storage, etc. However, if you have no idea how to get into the crypto world, then the NAGA wallet should be a good way to get into it, because you don't have to deal with all the stuff around this downloading of files, etc. This is very important. Security will be handled by us, and also Ego is very confident about it.
Okay, another question from Jason. Is this wallet going to be connected to my trading account and to the NAGA debit card?
Exactly. So you just have the tokens on your wallet, and then, as I said, you can move this to the trading account. So when you move it to the trading account, you can select your wallet, which is connected, and then you see Dash, and there's an internal exchange. So we exchange it for you, and you can directly fund your trading account, and you can load your card, or you can start trading CFDs.
Okay, are people from the USA and other banned countries for the card allowed to use the wallet?
So the general wallet service, yes. Exchange, no, because this is again a regulatory thing. We are not a regulated exchange in the US. We don't have a license for this. But if you just want to hold, receive, and send tokens conveniently, this is the place where you can do it worldwide.
Okay, Reda is asking, as we understand, the NAGA wallet will be unique on the market. Do you think that this will be a game changer?
I think yes. I mean, this is what we have pitched so long, that we have one ecosystem. I don't see any wallet having this depth of features. As I said, it's for cryptos, it's for any ERC20 token that you just deposit to your one address, and it pulls all the data. It is exactly what we do. When I have a token in my MyEther wallet, I go to CoinMarketCap to check CoinMarketCap. I hold it in a Blockfolio to see the value. If I want to switch my wallets, I need to again download the file, like open the file, enter my password. This is too much. It's just too much. Yeah, and this is basically what we want to change.
Okay, very good. So we have also questions, many questions coming from users regarding the wallet. Can you internally convert any ERC token to fiat, or is it only a wallet to store them?
If we can convert any ERC20 token and fund the trading account, and my response was, we will pick some. You can do an RFQ, it's called request for quote. You can just send us a quote, send us a request, and we give you a quote, and then we can basically purchase from you the token and then fund your trading account. So this will be done, but we are building up a whole crypto desk. And you see also, we were in the white paper saying we do the card, we do, for example, the wallet. But look, we're going into more directions, even crypto desk, things that are more massive. So I think this is very beneficial.
Okay, then you always emphasized on the utility token model, like that NAGA coin is a utility token and on the use case.
Yes.
And now with all these platforms and projects online, how important is this use case for the user, for the end user?
Yeah, I think now it starts to become a real utility. So it is not only about, I mean, cost savings are always good, I think, because it's like compared to the fiat, you can just compare how much you can save with the coin, but also there will be some features that you cannot use without NAGA coin. Yeah. So we will go basically to block specific and certain features. The first thing with NAGA Wallet is if you really want to use the NAGA Wallet, you have to purchase NGC from us or send at least a specific amount of NGC, so you can use the wallet for any ERC20 token. We will make the process very easy, like buying a shoe or like buying something on e-commerce. So just one tap, you fund, that's it, and or you just send us the NGCs to the Ethereum address, and then you can use the wallet. So this is very important because we are building a lot of things. We're spending a lot of money as well and time. Of course, it has to have an impact on the NGC economy, and this was our kind of premise that we have. Whatever we do, the NGC has to have a specific advantage. But I believe in product. I believe in product advantage. If a product has enough advantages for you as a user, that's very important to have a retention on the platform. So the better the platform is, the more times you come back, the more you want to use. And then if there are some specific features which can be only used with NGC, you will do it, because this is then just a logical chain. So we focus first on simplicity, user experience, because that's missing in crypto, and then to have the NAGA coin with specific advantages in that nice products. Okay.
Someone is asking, can you comment the price in the NAGA coin price on the exchanges?
The price itself, yeah, I mean it's a very stable kind of movement at the moment. I think the whole crypto world is a bit like in waiting position. Also, if you look at the biggest gainers and losers, if there are gainers with 300%, then it's like a coin with 50K or 100K volume, so it's not really something. So the whole crypto market is kind of going a sideways direction. I mean, of course, we also want to see higher prices, but this will be achieved with our utility model, because there will be a natural uplift of the price by people using the NGC, for example, for the wallet, for the card, etc. So this is kind of just a logical chain. But if you think like this, then it's absolutely easy that you know that the price will rise if there is more demand than supply, and if people hold more then sell more, and people want to buy more. So this kind of dynamics can be achieved either with pump and dump, what we don't want to do at all. So we want to go the sustainable way of using the ecosystem, building a nice product, making the NAGA coin a utility, and then to create demand for the NAGA coin. And then this will uplift the price.
Okay, very good. Anim is asking, can we transfer back our NGCs to the NAGA wallet?
Yes, of course. So I think this is also one thing that will have some advantages. We think about the following. Everyone who transfers the NAGA coins from my Ether wallet or from the exchanges back to us will have a benefit in NGC. So this is for sure. This is also on our line, but you can deposit any ERC20 token, and you can hold all your NAGA coins with us. And what we will do, obviously, you can directly convert them and send them to us, fund your trading account, and load your card, for example. So it will have a real use case.
Okay. Where can users see their crypto or investment portfolios? Is there going to be a connection in the wallet, or is it going to be on the NAGA Trade account?
No, you see it in the wallet. So in the wallet, you see first of all the classical big coins. I would say that like Ethereum, Dash, Bitcoin Cash. So all that are not token, you will have fully real-time calculated portfolio value in dollars and in Bitcoin as corresponding value. And for the token, the same. So all your tokens that you hold, we will calculate for you your holdings, the actual live price, and your portfolio value per token, for all tokens, sorry.
Okay, Leonard is asking about marketing. What are our marketing plans?
I mean, we are partnering up with like lots of agencies now, and also obviously I was reading the critics in Telegram. Hey, you raised 50 mil. What are you doing with the cash? Obviously, if you want to have a good marketing which works, and I don't want to burn the investors' money for testing. Okay, we build a product that works, which is scalable, and then we throw out marketing, and then we get the users. So this is all a step-by-step approach. I am sure you would not let your customers into a shop where you're still building, right? They would think, oh, it's not ready. Oh, that's dirty. You don't want to do that. So this is what we want to do as well. So once we feel comfortable that the products are scalable, bug-free, and work without any overhead, we will throw marketing money out and then get users in.
Okay, and Scott is asking, when can we expect the US clients to be able to benefit from the whole NAGA ecosystem?
It depends on licensing. I mean, we want, of course, we would like to, every market that is there, we want to have this, but we need to apply for licensing, and this takes time, and we need to see the advantage right away. So I think the wallet itself, without any exchange function, but only holding, sending, depositing, should work. That's just my educated guess now. Uneducated guess, sorry. But everything with fiat and exchanges will work only when we have a license. And this is, at the moment, I cannot have a real answer to this.
Okay. Samuel Catley is asking, is there going to be any document stating the fees of using the cards or any reduced fees on those for NAGA holders?
I think Ibrahim is even working on this. Yes. Yeah. So maybe you can say something, or.
Yeah, in the coming days, we're gonna also publish on the website, and we're gonna inform everyone the details about the fees and the fee structure and all the information needed, the limits and the conditions for NAGA card holders. So just a couple of days, and you'll get all the information.
Yep. So that's it, and of course, you know, guys, we're trying a lot of things in the short amount of time, so bear with us. But everything that is important and necessary will come in time. Yeah.
Okay, Real Movie is asking about exchanges. Any news about exchanges or updates?
I mean, just to clarify, so we submitted the application for Binance. So the official one, I was following also from Changpeng Zhao, like CZ, right? The CEO from Binance. He released, like, on LinkedIn, pulls a very nice rule set how to apply. And I can tell you, it's no matter how big we are, no matter how famous, whatever, it's still, this is their due diligence, right? So we will apply also for the community coin voting in March. I think they will have the next round, the 7th round or so. There are two ways to get in: normal application and wait, and or the second way is kind of through the community. I'm very confident that the community, if we get picked, that we have good chances as well. And yeah, we applied for different exchanges. I cannot tell the name because they don't want it. They will, you know, maybe don't list us, etc. But it's still, we are just dealing with the big exchanges at all. And I have the same interest that you have. All of us, we want to have be listed on the big exchanges. The best way to do it is to show the world how nice your project is, that there are people working on it, that we're delivering, that we're growing, that everyone wants to have you on their exchange.
Okay, very good. Fast is asking, can we buy stocks of NAGA on NAGA Trader? This is going to be huge.
Yeah, we were thinking about it. We will release, so we have CFDs at the moment, which is kind of something, a contract for difference. So it's like a copy of stocks, right, that you can buy and sell, so you can benefit from falling and from rising prices. I mean, we think about also to add the NAGA group as a title, but let's see how we'll do it, if it makes sense for us. If it's a real stock, yes, of course, then you can trade it. If it's on a European stock, it will be there. As a CFD, I don't see the value at the moment.
Okay, perfect. I guess we answered most of the questions. Yeah, everything is clear. Do you have a last word to say?
Yeah, guys, thanks for all the community feedback. I think we will have some more polls now, because what I am also keen on, and with the team, we are always brainstorming what are the best economic models for the token. But you know the project now, you know the platforms that we have. I think we should make some polls and ask the people what would they do in our position, because I think the community knowledge is much better than subjective knowledge from us, because we are too deep inside. So be prepared. There will be some polls, and we will ask you what would be your idea to kind of, you know, what would be the min value for example, using the wallet, or what advantage should an NGC holder have using the card, the platform. We can build everything. We just need to have good consensus amongst users. And yeah, so some polls will be coming, and this will be very soon. So you're involved. Yeah, and that's it. And thanks also to Ibrahim. And sorry again for the video faux pas. I would say sorry for this. Next time we'll make it better. I will not screen share. And yeah, share the video if you like, and tell your friends that the new wallet is coming out, and tell the people that most of the future ICOs will be subscribed with the NAGA wallet. So have a good one, and have a great weekend ahead. Thank you, guys.